Just a quick update on the big bore kit. Just got an email and they said that the cylinders from Honda should be in the next couple days, and then it will be a couple days to re-sleeve it, and then it will ship the same day it's sleeved. So we're getting closer. Also, I've got another project I'll show you here. I've got these plans for a hitch for a Honda, what is that, CTX 1300, the four-cylinder bike. So I'm going to be building one of those, and these plans are available online. I'll probably end up putting them up on my Facebook page in some form or another, but I'm going to build this hitch for one of my friends. So that'll be kind of a little in the meantime project while I'm waiting for all the big bore stuff to get here. So that's the other project I'm currently working on. So again, just make sure you're subscribed here, make sure you're following on Facebook. I'll keep everybody updated on what the big bore kit situation is as I learn more. Thanks for watching.